I know it's frustrating. You wake up 2 o'clock in the morning and your smoke detectors are going beep, chirping, chirp. 1 minute later, chirp. Does it again. I'm not here to talk about that. That's your battery. I can promise you that is your battery. However, I'm going to show you how to fix your smoke sensors. You need to put 2 criteria on these. One is that the smoke sensor is 10 years old and that's not doing a chirp, but all your smoke sensors in your house are actually going off like you have a fire and you cannot shut them off. Unfortunately, a lot of times this happens 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. Now, for those of you that watch the channel, I've been in the security business 22 years. Please don't call your security dealer at 2 o'clock in the morning if your smoke sensors are chirping or if they're going off like you have a fire. Now get out of bed, make sure you don't have a fire in your home or business, because chances are if it's going off and your smoke sensors are 3 or 4 years old, you've got something that set that fire off, and there is a filter in there. It's checked so many microns per whatever, and the filters are very sensitive. However, as they get older, the sensitivity goes down. So you wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning, you have smoke sensors that are 10 years old, and they're going off like you have a fire inside the house. This is what you need to do with your smoke sensors. That right there. Throw them the hell away. Go down and buy some new smoke sensors. They're rated to last for 10 years. Don't try to fix them. Don't change the batteries in them. Don't call us at 2 o'clock in the morning. Go get some new smoke sensors. I hope this helps.